Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係林澤少 Joseph Lin Jackie Joe, and we are going to teach you idioms today. 因為今天我一定要比 Leo 呢，還要再來教我喜歡的單元諺語。
我想到了，有一句過年我們是不是一定要打掃？
Oh, that's right. We haven't talked about this. You know, before Chinese New Year, you have to do a lot of cleaning up. 然後要大掃除，歡迎新的一年。好，所以這個諺語在哪裡？
那我就教一個跟打掃有關係的，叫做收梯收壁角，洗面洗耳角。
哇，再講一次。
收梯收壁角，
收梯收壁角，
洗面洗耳角，
洗面洗耳角。要掃又洗，對不對？
對，
聽到這兩個字，there's sweeping and there's also washing。所以第一段是說，
就掃地呢就要掃牆角。
Oh, okay. The first part of this idiom means when you sweep the floors, remember to sweep the corners. 那個角落一定要很注意。那第二部分呢？
那當然就是洗臉，洗面就是洗臉嘛。洗面的時候呢，要洗哪裡？哪裡最不容易洗到呢？就是耳朵。
That's true. Okay. The second part of this idiom is when you wash your face, you gotta remember to wash your ears, your entire ear. 這個耳朵很多有角的地方，
對，
也有隱藏的地方都要洗到。
對啊。
有的時候不小心就好像沒洗到，就會還有污垢，就表示沒洗乾淨。
小孩子常這樣子，對不對？
對。That's a very interesting idiom. So 它其實它意味着是什麼呢？
它就是做事情的時候要認真一點，不能敷衍了事。
That's what I thought. This whole idiom is kind of referring to the fact that being a person, you should be down to earth and honest, be complete, and not to just brush the surface of things. And that's why when you sweep the floors, you have to sweep the corners. When you wash your face, you have to wash your ears. 好, let's hear this whole explanation in English.
A common Hakka saying reminds us not to cut corners when it comes to cleaning. Back in the days, upon waking up, Hakka children were expected to perform two tasks. They would wash their face and sweep the courtyard. Only then could children have breakfast and head to school. However, some disobedient children would sleep in and half-heartedly perform these chores. So the elders use this saying to remind them of the importance of putting 100% into every single task they do.
And let's have Leo review this idiom one more time.
收梯收壁角，洗面洗耳角。
So there you go. That's our idiom of the day on Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是C張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.